Did it escape from what?
It escaped from an hour bullish fair value gap already, and now it's tapping into. It almost tapped into the 5 minute. We'll see. Anyways,
It tapped to me. Yeah, right now it tapped. Oh, I didn't know about this double RMR.
yeah, very important. So there's no gap on it, Q.
No what?
No fair value gap on Q. Okay, I'm on the live now. See my screen. Okay, I'm on the live now, Ibrahim. So come join.
Okay, I'm joining right now. Yeah, I'm there. Yeah, I'm there. What is the sell position that you marked down?
I don't know. No closure here. Let me send the link out. Okay. All right, can you guys all hear me? Test 1 2 2. Test 1 2. I don't know if you guys can all hear me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ask away. Ask away. Guys, the market has been so slow, but we've been able to, let's see, gold. Yeah, gold made a bearish RMR. Now this is what I was talking about when I said that there needs to be a double. I want to see like it, being respected off of some type of bearish fair value gap. So right here, beautiful. Okay, nice, nice. So yeah, it can work. We have a 2 hour. We have a 2 hour bearish fair value gap. Right? Swing high got rated, swing low got rated, market structure shift. Yeah, this is good. Yeah. So the market structure shift right here. Boom. For the 2 hour, boom. And then it's beautiful because there's no, and then for the 5 minute, same thing. All right, so it's very good. Boom. So now all I'm waiting for now is just I want to see a return to this fair value gap, or if it still leaves off a gap here, it can be this one or this one, and then we can look for a setup. I like this because made relative equal lows here. It didn't just rate it. So this is something we should come back to. What's up, guys? What's up? Nasdaq. Let's see Nasdaq. Nasdaq. We have. Boom, boom, boom. It didn't tap it. It didn't tap into the NQ. It didn't tap into our NQ. Only on Nas 100. So it's interesting. You're doing very good. Mm-hmm. For which one? Let me go back to gold. So gold, we have what? We have what? 3 minute. Oh yeah, we do have a 3 minute. Yeah, I didn't see that. Apparently, some people are telling me the 2 hour didn't tap for them, but for me, the 2 hour tapped. It's right here. Swing high got rated. Swing low. Guys, the 2 hours get tapped for gold for your guys' charts. For me, high, low, gap right here, price tap to gap for me. But apparently for XAUSD, for some of you guys didn't tap. So let me know real quick. For you, it didn't, eh? Interesting. Interesting. But then we have, let's say we want to indice this. Let me make this GC. Actually, let me make this silver. Have a quick. You have a SMT. Okay, we could. This is a nice SMT though. Sussy SMT. Okay, guys, I might be going for a sell here on gold for the 3 minute bearish fair value gap, bearish RMR, sorry, and with the 2 hour. The 2 hour escape. Low is 4,245.1. 4,200. Okay, I want closure here. This would be like a little. This would be like A minus because we didn't fill the 5 minute. We filled the 3 minute instead. But it's the SMT is what looks very clean. It's a very clean SMT reaction. Decent amount of liquidity, and then the only way I'll enter this trade is if you have a CRL, if you have a really close range liquidity, then I'll enter the trade. If we don't, then I won't. All right, guys, like up the stream if you just joined right now. And what's my original analysis? Swing low, swing high, hourly bullish. I got plus. We need a combination of some sort. Yeah, nothing bullish. The only thing bullish is the 1 hour. That's it. Yeah. All right. Eyes on gold. Nasdaq. Let me see Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq. This is good though because it's escaping the. I think it was a 30 minute. So this is good. Escaping the 30 minute, and then he said on the 5. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Okay, now look at my screen, Ibrahim. You see this? You see what I mean by now? But when I say very good. I love this. I love these equal lows right here. Uh huh. Uh huh. Say that. Sorry. Say that again. Uh huh. Uh huh. Yeah. Yeah. Look at gold. Look at gold. But correct. Um. So see, eyes on gold right here. We can see the distance. Sell. Sell. Sell on gold, guys. This is off of a 3 minute bearish RMR. And then remember, we have the Nasdaq that's ready for us as well. So just keep both in check. Copy image. I'll monitor Nasdaq at the same time. Nasdaq is slowly returning to the 5 minute. That's going up right now. Nasdaq is the better one as well. Keep that in mind. Because gold is a 3-minute and a 5-minute still never got filled. So keep an eye on. Okay, Nasdaq now it's just tapping into it. Okay, so if it makes a bullish fair value gap, it's okay if Nasdaq stays here. Right now it looks like, oh, it's closing above, but on the 5-minute, it still didn't close. On the 5-minute, there's still 2 minutes left. So as long as it stays below here in the next 2 minutes, it should be fine. All right. Let's see. If Nasdaq can't close here in the next 5 minutes. Yeah. If it stays above here, then this whole thing is invalid. And we can't look for sells. $21. 20. Yeah, closed above now on Nasdaq. Yeah, it's moving a bit weird. If it goes back above this body right here, I'm not gonna take that risk. I want it to. If it comes here, guys, scale out. If it goes above this body, just scale out of your position here, above this white line. So just because my trade should not have drawdown. Like it does not have drawdown. So I already did its drawdown part. So if it comes again and does a drawdown, I'm expecting it to just um I'm expecting it to um just completely go up. Just from intuition and from experience. Okay, now we're in profit for gold. Now we're in profit. And remember now, the risk is so much smaller on gold now because we're dragging our stop loss down to this level, right? So we removed our stop loss. Boom, right here. We're going to take out this liquidity point. Let's take out this liquidity point. Yes, right there, guys. That's that liquidity point. That yellow line. That yellow line was our target right there. That yellow line. Now you guys move your stop loss to break even. Now it's risk-free trade. But that yellow line was the target for our mini one-to-one holders. That yellow line, always yellow line. And now break even. Okay, how many of you guys? How many of you guys took that trade? It shouldn't, because all my trades, I've never like I don't experience drawdown with my trades. So if there's ever drawdown, I get suspicious. You know what I'm saying? Like most of my trades, I go back to my like Telegram. It should GIFG, boom, take profit, take profit, take profit. You know what I'm saying? The moment I start to see drawdown, it's suspicious. You know, that's why sometimes that's why I kept telling you to journal yours, Ibrahim, because your stop loss placement is so tight. So that's why I kept telling you put it in your docs, put it in your docs, put it in your docs, because I just wanted to see the correlation with your very tight stop loss, how price would play through it. You get what I'm saying? Huh? Yeah. I remember someone texting me. Yeah, how do you in the live stream? Huh? Soon. Mm, maybe. You know why? I was smart to not hold gold too much because for some people they didn't get the 2 hour bearish RMR. You know, um, and at the same time, the 5 minutes still never got filled, so it's an unfilled fair value gap. And because we're just using a 3 minute, so to hold it long and that doesn't really make much sense. Say again. Yeah, like minus. Yeah. Let me see. Yes, if it taps into this, then yes. Everyone leave a like on the stream right now. Everyone leave a like right now. Leave a like, leave a like, leave a like right now on the stream if you want to be a part of the giveaway. Um, not too loud. I don't know why it doesn't work on the thing. Yeah, they can't hear you. Can you hear yourself? Oh. Sayara tudo badala yeah, yeah, what's the question? Really? Why is my GU frozen? What the heck? What's going on? I mean, yeah. Yeah. I have to ask first. So yeah, he says okay, then yeah, sure. Don't mind. I'm gonna put you in the Discord. I gotta put you in the Discord. I'm gonna put you in Discord. After the session. Okay. Now I know for Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq is gonna be like this. The 1 minute bullish RMR We're going to here. And then the 3-minute here until we reach the 1 hour, which is here. Yeah. I low-key want to say buy right here until we get to at least minute, and then here we can move it to break even. So go up here. Okay, buy chat, buy. Yeah. Right here. We'll move to break even right when we touch this fair value gap. Right when we touch this fair value gap, we're gonna move it to break even. Boom. Okay, break even now. Right? That's exactly what I wanted, that hourly bearish fair value gap. So now you can move your stop loss to break even. Excellent pump. Look at that right there. Beautiful. Right there. Everyone on live? Pre that? Okay, yeah. So this is already a beautiful trade. So now you guys can knock off some profits, especially the 1-to-1 hour, guys. And now what we can expect to happen is we go to the hourly, and because we did it before it tapped, we can actually expect this to close below that, go above the hourly fair value gap. So we can expect it to disrespect the hourly, right? Which would make this like a massive trade. Only for the holders, but the 1-to-1 guys, you guys close. You just gotta be disciplined to your edge, your strategy. Right, which should be here for the 1 to around right there. Remember, it's break even. Why is everyone asking buying Nas buying? It's on my screen right now. Say again. Entry's down here. Entry's all the way down here. Did you enter for gold or Nasdaq? Okay, okay, okay. Oh, okay, okay. Um, it was. Damn, look at this. So the guys that are damn. These guys almost got break even too for this. Yeah. This is what I meant when I said I'm expecting it to disrespect the hourly. Look how close it was to break even. So close. Yeah, if you have a late entry, then yeah, it makes sense. A tip I give is if your entry is ever late, it's better to have a small loss at the correct break even than to have um a break even higher than usual. Top trade though on Nas. We're doing after a long time. Doing good, man. Doing good. Can't complain. Anyways, chat. How many of you guys took the trade? Whether it was gold or Nasdaq. How many of you guys took the trade? Yeah, you couldn't enter on time, so stayed out. Smart, smart. That's the best thing you could have said. If you're not on time, it's best to just stay out. Avoid unnecessary losses in the portfolio. This is equal highs, by the way. Oops. Oops. Back to what it was. I don't know. Because we're still on a bearish gap. Anyways, the whole point why I did this setup was only because I just wanted it to fill this 1 hour. Because once it fills this 1 hour, I can probably look for sales. But at the same time, it's just a mental thing because now it doesn't matter what I do now because I already got my piece of the market. So now if it wants to respect this hourly bearish, good, I go for sales. If it and then it will be break even. But then if I wanted to disrespect the hourly bearish fair value gap, then it's full take profit. So that's why I was like an instant. Like we already had our GRFEG, we already have our stuff right here. We already entered. Obviously, the entry itself was a bit late, to be honest. Entry should have been way lower. Should have been down here, to be honest. Entry search is supposed to be way lower. But anyways, but then that's why I said right when it comes here, quick break even because this fair value gap's already a drawn liquidity. Because we had a 3-minute bullish RMR plus a 1 hour bullish RMR. So 3-minute and the 1 hour. All right. 684. Uh-huh. GU, sorry, you said GU? Check. At GU, this would be the new fair value count right here. For the SMT, you're gonna use Euro USD. And then this would be the GIFUG. I knew it. I knew it. We tapped into a 5-minute bullish fair value gap. Okay, this is looking good now. Now we have the hourly. 5, boom, 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 boom. Yeah. And there's equal highs. And there's a nice CRLQ. Yeah, I'm gonna enter this if it closes above. The next one has to come on. The next one, I feel like the next one's gonna take out all the highs though. It's gonna be a big one because of equal highs. The reason why I don't care that we're on this 1 hour bearish fair value gap is because of the 5-minute and the previous hourly. That's why. But if we don't disrespect it, then shit. And then maybe a better SMT. This SMT is a bit issue. We'll see. Yeah. So then we'll go to the 5 minute or 3 minute and see if there's shit, bro. Gold tapped into the 5 minute, bro. Why is no one looking? The 5 minute I wanted from before. I was on Nasdaq for too long. Yeah, it's could have been a good trade. No, gold or Nasdaq. Yeah, gold. I'm pretty sure is SMT. Yeah, there's a big SMT on gold. Yeah, that was a. What if I just edge in right here and then I just go boom, boom. A lot of break evens today, huh, for the holders. Chat. I think some of you guys were collecting though. I think, right? I think there's some of you guys that are 1-to-1 RR, right? So I think you guys are could be up for the day. If I was gold and I had my entry, chat. Why was no one looking at gold while I was looking at Nasdaq? We could have caught this trade, guys. We could have caught this big trade, chat. We could have caught this trade, chat. Why was no one looking? Why was no one looking at gold while I was looking at Nasdaq? Allahu Akbar. Inna alayhi. What the fudge? What the fudge? Yo. Yo, Ibrahim, if I'm looking at gold, you have to look at bro. You have to look at Nasdaq. We gotta switch it. Thanks, how you, bro? Yeah, that's the case. Just stick to gold and Nasdaq. This is why. If it's too many, if it's hard to rotate quickly to the other one, just do gold and Nasdaq. Honestly. Holy smokes, bro! That shit just annihilated. I wanted that too. Like I've been wanting that the whole day for gold. It's literally what I've been waiting for. Jeez Louise. Nasdaq. Let me check Nasdaq. On Nasdaq, we tapped off the hourly. Okay, so now we go to the 5 minute. Nothing. 3 minute. Yeah, 3 minute. We have a RMR. Yeah, 5 minute is good. We'll use this 3 minute. Yeah, a lot of liquidity. A lot of liquidity. Triple equal lows down here. That's a very strong draw on liquidity. Triple equal lows is a lot. Okay, you can go back to GU now because you're waiting for your GU setup, right? Don't let that distract you. Nasdaq also looks good. Damn it, bro. There's so many. It looks so good from everything, bro. The whole market looks good, bro. Huh? How many? What? Sorry. Same thing. Same thing. Like less than 15 or less than however the unit metrics are. Just make sure it looks close. Like just let it look close. Though. Okay, 31 seconds until the 3 minute closes. Uh chat. Um what's your record so far for today, chat? Okay, so this is the 3 minute. Boom, we just tapped into the 3 minute. Now we get this. This eyes on GU. Let's go GU. Yeah, GU does look good. Alright. But with the next swing high is not that. That's pretty far. But it is relative equal highs, so that's the only good part. Though. I wish they were closer, but to make up for it, at least there's relative equal highs. GU's back. Let's see. Like I wanted to close a volume though. It can't be like a baby close. Cause yeah. Let me go back to NQ. Close this. Hey guys, eyes on GU. Yeah, I want more too. Okay, good. Like I need. Like I see all these lows on Nasdaq. Oh no, I got disrespected. Can't use this. Shit. No, I said the three minute on Nasdaq it got disrespected. I like this candle closure. That's better. Yeah, eyes on GU, guys. 5 seconds left, and we can go for buys. I don't want a long wicks candle. Don't close above this candle high, then at least. Show me you want to go up. Show me you want to go up by closing above this wick high. If you close above, then you can look. I'm waiting. I'm personally waiting. I want to see closure above this high. I want to see closure above this swing high. That was just me. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. The high at 1203. See, that's why I wanted to wait for closure above that high. You see that? Any candle like that closes above a GIFG but gives me a long wicks like this, I hate it. I say I want to close above that high, and then I'll do it. Oh shit! 3 minute got respected. Go to the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, GIFG right here. There's a little GIFG down here. There's another one here. I know it's gonna close below it. Here the SMT2. So the SMT. Oh. See down here. If you go back to GU, if you go to GU, there's a nut. It tapped into the 15. And go to the 1 hour, and then you can see it just try to disrespect that. And then it's the new GIFG. Okay, there's a bullish bias beacon. Beacon. Oh, I wanted it to close below this, but it's fine. Anytime I see a fair value gap made, like that, and then I said anytime I see a fair value gap get made, and then there's like a little um, close range equal lows. Yeah, price usually gets it. There's so many things happening at once. There's a setup potentially that's gonna happen on GU, on NQ. Yeah, just GU and NQ. Only two things. Oh, we're turning back to this bullish. Oh, my phone died at the wrong time. My phone died. This is not good. Let me charge it in the other room. Everyone, like up the stream, guys. Everyone, like up the stream. Come on. Everyone, like it up, like it up, like it up. Like up the stream. Okay, guys. I think that's it. How many of you guys took trades today? How many of you guys took some W's today? I don't know. Oh yeah. I don't know. Yo, this should have been the first trade of the day, and that's it. I'm gonna be honest with you. So long. Like this should have been the trade. Boom, and then just all the way up until here. So these equalize. And that's it. That should have been the one. But anyways, we go here and I just check the 3 minute. All right, guys. That's pretty much it for today's stream. Everyone leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let's do giveaways. Who wants a 10K account? Chat, who wants a 10K account? Who wants a 10K account, chat? No one? Damn. It's crazy. Nobody wants a 10K account? Okay, the first winner. I want to see who's been active in the chat. Okay. So this person's been active the whole chat. ADZ_7. So he's you get a 10K account, so you can when you join the AquaTV Discord, just show them that look, this is proof that you won. So congratulations to you. The next winner is who's been active. I seen Emmanuel here and there. So Emmanuel, you get yourself a 10K funded account. I seen Delta in the chat. Delta, you get yourself a 10K account. Remember, guys, save this. So then you can in the future so you can show them once you join their Discord. You can show them, hey, this is proof that I want. All right, let's see who's been active. Somehow these are only 2 people I've been seeing. Oh, Jay's been active. You get yourself a 10K funded account. All right, so just show them this clip, and yeah. Okay, Sai, you've also been active. You get yourself a 10K funded account, right? And lastly, Last person. Don't get mad if you don't win. Don't worry, there'll always be more giveaways. But the last person who's been active in the chat. Who's been active? Okay, and then tall SMT. Okay. Now, don't worry, guys. I'm going to be doing more live streams. So I'll be doing more giveaways, more all of that stuff. I'll be live streaming consistently. So don't worry about that, guys. Stay tuned for that. Just know that I love you guys so much. Have a beautiful day. Peace out. Bye, guys. And how do you activate the account? Go to their Discord. It should be the link in my description. And then join their Discord. Go to their website, join the Discord, do what you have to do, and then just show them all the proof. Love you guys. Peace out.